Hi everyone, today I will show a full guide on how to get Tinder Gold with Revolut in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Click the Revolut link. You'll find it on Tinder's in-app banner or on their social media. Step 2. Sign up for Revolut. Just enter your phone number on the landing page, download the Revolut app and create your account. Step 3. Complete your KYC checks, Revolut's quick Know Your Customer process. Step 4. Make an eligible transaction. Use your Revolut virtual or physical card to make a payment within 7 days of opening your account. Step 5. Receive your promo code. Revolut will email you a Tinder promo code once you've met all the requirements. And Step 6. Redeem your code. Click Claim Offer in the email and follow the instructions. You'll be directed to tinder.com, where your code will be recognized automatically. Either log in or create a new account to activate your free 3-month Tinder Gold subscription. And that's it. Enjoy.